Hello and welcome to a Shuup video tutorial. Today we will talk about Shuup's integration with Shippo. In our first video on shipping methods, we'll learn how vendors can create their own custom shipping methods. Another recommended option for shipping is Shippo. Shippo is a multi-carrier shipping software for e-commerce businesses. It's easy to use and it offers flexible pricing models. It has a shipping cost calculator, it provides shipment tracking, notifications, and returns management. All in all, this is a reliable shipping method Shuup has integration with. Let's see how vendors on Shuup-powered marketplace can implement and use Shippo. First of all, you need to create a Shippo account in case you don't have one. There are two ways for vendors to configure their Shippo accounts. In this video, we will discuss creating a service provider manually. With manual configuration, you can do test transactions that won't be billed to your credit card. Using this method, vendors can create a service provider manually and inform their Shippo API key. In the upper right corner, you see your Sign Up button. Here, we fill out some basic information and proceed to creating our Shippo account. Right away, it asks me some details about my business. Company name, phone number. Mark your store platform as Other if you can't find yours from the drop-down list. Write Shuup in the next section because we have a Shuup-powered marketplace. Next section is your main carrier and monthly shipment value. And then the address. Next thing we need to do is to find our API keys to connect your Shippo account to your Shuup-powered marketplace. You can generate and manage the API tokens for your integration on the API page in your Shippo dashboard. Here we have live tokens and test tokens. We will be using test tokens because for now we're just testing our Shippo Connect. We do not want any real transactions we will be charged for. Here we generate a test API token and copy it to the clipboard. And let's go back to Shuup. We are logged in as a vendor. Click Shipping, Service Providers, create a new service provider. Select the Shippo service provider and fill in the name. Fill in your Shippo API token in the API token field and click Save. Next thing you need to do here is to configure your shipping carriers. Shuup must know what Shippo carriers the vendor wants to use and allow shipping methods to be created based on those. First, you need to manage your shipping carriers in your Shippo account. Let's go back to your Shippo account. Let's go to Settings, Carriers. Here's the list of all our carriers. We can add new ones as well. Now let's go back to Shuup and connect these carriers. Go to Shippo, Shippo Carrier Accounts. Click Synchronize. Note that neither of these carriers are enabled, so you need to go to each one of them and enable those carriers you want to use on your Shuup-powered marketplace. Now, when Shuup knows which carrier or carriers to use, you should create your desired shipping methods. Go to Shipping, Shipping Methods, Create New Shipping Method. Here we have a drop-down menu where we can see all service providers and carriers we have enabled. You need to select the carrier service for this shipping method. Click Save. And now you're able to provide Shippo service to your customers. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information, you can contact us at contact@shuup.com. If you're an existing customer, reach out to your project manager. Visit our website, shuup.com, or find us on social media. Check out our social media links in the description of the video below.